that the battle that has been over their lives,
La bataille qui était sur leur vie,
sponsored by Babylon,
qui a été sponsorée par Babylone,
after this camp,
après cette camp,
Zion will take over.
Zion va prendre contrôle.
Great challengers, why are you here?
We are here to be equipped against the influence and manipulations of Babylon.
Les grands challengers, pourquoi vous êtes ici?
Nous sommes ici, tous équipés contre l'influence et la manipulation de Babylone.
Le mercredi soir a eu lieu la 6e édition du camp des jeunes intitulé The Light Camp 2024, organisé par Grâce Tabernacle International. Ce camp vise à équiper et préparer spirituellement les jeunes pour la rentrée scolaire 2024-2025 qui approche. Retrouvez les détails avec Tibus Adiboko Fadol Adjari.
Great challengers, why are you here?
We are here to be equipped against the influence and manipulations of Babylon.
Les grands challengers, pourquoi vous êtes ici?
Nous sommes ici, tous équipés contre l'influence et la manipulation de Babylone.
C'est la 6e édition du camp des jeunes, dénommé The Light Camp 2024 et organisé par Grâce Tabernacle International, a débuté ce mercredi soir à Hill City University, Bénin. Les jeunes ont élevé leur voix pour glorifier le nom de l'Éternel, lançant cette édition sous la puissante manifestation du Saint-Esprit.
And appreciate
Et on apprécie
our followers
nos suivants,
wherever they are,
n'importe où ils sont,
online,
en ligne,
inside,
dedans,
outside.
au dehors.
You too will win your own battle.
Eux aussi vont gagner la bataille.
Amen.
We declare
On déclare
this battle of light
cette bataille de la lumière
2024
2024
a reality.
une réalité.
And we demand
Et on demande
that your light will prevail over darkness.
que ta lumière va briller contre les ténèbres.
That by the end of this great encounter,
Et qu'à la fin de cette grande rencontre,
you will begin to shine on every side in destiny.
tu vas commencer par briller dans tous côtés du destin.
And so shall it be.
C'est comme ça.
In Jesus' name we declare.
Ce camp, spécialement conçu pour les jeunes en fin de vacances, vise à les préparer spirituellement pour la rentrée scolaire à venir sous la direction du Saint-Esprit.
The ones that are in camp,
Les jeunes qui sont dans le camp,
we're expecting
on veut que,
that the Bible says,
parce que la Bible dit,
upon Mount Zion
sur le mont Zion,
there shall be
il y aura la
deliverance.
délivrance.
And we have come to Zion,
Et on est venu à
the
Zion,
city of the living God.
la cité du Dieu
So
vivant.
the youths
Donc les jeunes
are expected
sont
to
expectés
leave this camp
pour quitter ce camp
empowered by Zion,
avec la force de Zion.
and Babylon will be
Et
crushed
Babylone serait écrasée
to the glory of God.
à la gloire de Dieu.
Pour cette 6e édition, un programme riche et varié est prévu, incluant des enseignements poignants, des séances de prière intenses et bien d'autres activités spirituelles.
From this night,
À partir de cette nuit,
we have just witnessed our opening parade.
on vient d'expérimenter notre parade
We
d'ouverture.
call it the spirito-military heavenly parade.
On appelle ça le militaire parade du ciel.
And that is a parade
Et ça, c'est le camp.
that witnesses
Le parade qui a de
the coming
témoins
in of the campus.
que la venue des campeurs.
From tomorrow,
À partir de demain,
we will begin to marshal out our program.
on va commencer par donner nos actes de
We
programme.
have wonderful teachings
On a les enseignements
from
merveilleux
different men of God.
de différents hommes de Dieu.
During the activities,
Durant les
the
activités,
youths will be releasing their recitations
les jeunes vont donner leurs récitations
during the program
durant les activités
in order to show us
pour nous montrer
that they have really getting it in
qu'ils
them.
ont vraiment pris cette partie de la Bible en
And
eux.
through those recitations,
Et par ces récitations,
the teachers of the camp,
les enseignants du
the
camp,
speakers,
ceux qui veulent parler,
they will be using it to teach back.
ils vont utiliser ça pour apprendre les trucs aux
So
enfants.
that those scriptures will truly imbibe on the children.
Pour que ces passages de la Bible vont vraiment rentrer dans les enfants.
So those are the part of, and we also expect
Et on espère aussi
that the children
que les enfants
will give us many other spiritual activities
vont nous donner beaucoup d'autres activités spirituelles
that they have prepared.
qu'ils ont préparées.
Le thème de cette année est axé sur la bataille de la lumière. Ce camp de 3 jours, véritable source de renouveau spirituel, s'achèvera le samedi prochain, laissant les participants spirituellement fortifiés et prêts pour les défis de l'année scolaire à venir.
Champions of light.
Les grands champions de la lumière.
Champions of light.
Les grands champions de la lumière.
Démarrer ce mercredi sous la houlette du Saint-Esprit, ce samedi marque la fin d'un rassemblement intime des jeunes avec Dieu, The Light Camp 2024, organisé par Grâce Tabernacle International pour équiper spirituellement les jeunes avant la rentrée scolaire, a été 3 jours d'enseignement poignant, d'intenses prières et s'est conclu par des moments extraordinaires. Eunice Rocher Fadel Achari.
C'est avec une énergie débordante que les jeunes du camp The Light Camp 2024 ont entamé la journée du samedi. Une journée qui marque la fin de cette 6e édition. Une marche, symbole de leur engagement à porter la lumière du Christ partout. Une fois sur la plage du quartier Jacques à Akwakwa, après installation et prières intenses dans une profonde spiritualité, l'évangéliste Victor a rappelé aux jeunes que la lumière qu'ils ont reçue ne doit pas être cachée. Soutenu par des exemples bibliques, l'homme de Dieu revient sur l'essentiel du message.
We looked at a character, a young boy called Eutychus, was taken from the book of Acts of Apostles, who came where Paul was ministering. And as the message was going on, Eutychus was in between where there was a great light in the house. But his attention was divided, one leg in, one leg out. Because of the divided attention, he fell from the 3rd floor of the building and fell and died. Not because there was no much light inside. He wanted to participate in and outside the church. That causes death. So our charge is to the young ones here. They should concentrate and go home with every instruction given to them throughout this teaching. Their lights have been lighting up, and this light must not quench. The reason why the enemy will fight to quench the light.
C'est un message profondément ancré dans la parole et les jeunes ont exprimé à quel point ce camp a été une source d'enrichissement spirituel.
Particulièrement, j'ai la joie au cœur parce que j'aime la prière et c'est ce qui a été fait. Les départements de ma vie dont j'ai voulu que Dieu touche, la prière a été de cet endroit et j'ai été vraiment touché. J'ai encore expérimenté au niveau de la puissance de Dieu. J'ai remarqué au niveau de la prière que bon, ça a encore monté. J'ai été bien touché. La prière m'a fait du bien. Concernant les enseignements que nous avions faits, vraiment ça m'a fait du bien.
Oui, dans ce camp, j'ai espéré beaucoup de choses. J'ai espéré que Dieu me donne la force pour que je commence pas à prier plus que la manière que je priais. Et Dieu me donne la force aussi pour que je vais aimer être dans la présence de Dieu. Et au cours de la camp, j'ai vu que la manière que j'ai rentré au camp, c'est différent de la manière que je sors. Maintenant, j'ai beaucoup de puissance en moi maintenant pour prier moi seul et aussi pour apprendre le parole de Dieu moi seul.
Sur ce camp, j'ai appris que dans la vie, il ne faut pas toujours se fier aux apparences. Les amis, il faut savoir les choisir. Il y a les bons comme les mauvais. Mais quand tu choisis les bons, ils vont t'amener loin. Mais quand tu choisis les mauvais, ils vont te faire descendre et tu vas échouer.
Yes, my objective of coming to this camp was to be empowered and to be delivered. And my objective was accomplished.
Light Camp 2024, un véritable succès marquant le début d'une nouvelle ère pour ces jeunes qui repartent équipés spirituellement. C'est une 6e édition réussie.
Proverbs chapter 27, which says, boast not thyself about tomorrow, for thou knowest not what tomorrow will bring. 2. Let another man praise thee, not thy mouth, a stranger, not thy lips. 3. A stone is heavy, and a sound is weighty, but a fool's mouth is heavier than them both. 4. A secret law is a secret love is better than open rebuke. 10. Avoid it. That's not bad. It's not from it and pass away. For the sleep on the same they have done with shame, and their sleep is taken away, or let them not stop to fall.
Praise the Master. Verse 1 to the end. I read from New King James Version. The king's heart is in the hand of the Lord, like rivers of water, he turns it wherever he wants. Every man's way is right in his eyes, but the Lord weighs the heart. To do righteousness and justice is more acceptable to the Lord than sacrifice. A haughty look, a proud heart, and the glory of the wicked are sin. The plans of the diligent lead surely to plenty, but those of everyone who is hasty, surely to poverty. Getting treasures with a lying tongue is the fleeting fantasy of those who seek death. The violence of the wicked shall destroy them, because they refuse to do justice. The way of the guilty man is perverse, but as for the pure, his work is right. The soul, better to dwell in the corner of the house door than in a house shared with a contentious woman. The soul of the wicked desires evil, but his neighbor finds no favor in his eyes. When the scoffer is punished, the simple is made wise, but when the wise is instructed, he receives knowledge. The righteous God wisely considers the house of the wicked, overthrowing the wicked for his wickedness. He who shuts his ears to the eyes of the weak, to the cries of the poor, will also cry himself and not be heard. And the pride behind the back breaks wrath. It is joy for the just to do justice, but destruction will come to the workers of iniquity. A man who wanders away from the way of understanding will rest in the assembly of the dead. He who loves pleasure will be a poor man. He who loves wine and oil will not be rich. The wicked shall be ransom for the righteous, and they are unfaithful for the upright. Better to dwell in the wilderness than with a contentious and angry woman. There is desirable treasure and oil in the house, in the dwelling of the wise, but the foolish man squanders it all. Justice and honor. A wise man scales the city of the mighty and brings down the trusted stronghold. A proud and haughty man, scoffer is his name. He acts in arrogant pride. The desires of the lazy man shall kill him, because his hands refuse to do the labor.
Inheritance among his brothers. Verse 3. A crucible is for silver and a shelter for gold, but the Lord is the center of heart. Verse 4. A wicked person listens to malicious talk, but a liar pays attention to destructive talk. Verse 5. The one who mourns before insults his maker, and the one who rejoices over disaster will not go unpunished. Verse 6. Not children are the crown of elderly, and the pride of sons are their fathers. Verse 7. Eloquent words are not appropriate on a fool's lips, then how much words are nice for a ruler. Verse 8. A pride seems like a magic stone to the owner, wherever he turns it softly. Verse 9. Whoever conceals an offense promotes love, but whosoever causes about is separates friends. Verse 10. A rebuke comes into a respected person more than 100 lashes into a fool. Verse 11. An evil man seeks only rebellion, and a true messenger will be sent against him. Verse 12. Better for a man to meet a bear brought over cups than a fool in his midst. Verse 13. If anyone returns evil for good, evil shall never depart from his house. Verse 14. To start a conflict is to release a flood. Stop the dispute before it breaks out. Verse 15. Accusing the guilty and condemning the judge, both are detestable to the Lord. Verse 16. Why does a fool have money in his hand with no intention of buying wisdom? Verse 17. A friend loves at one time, but a brother is not for a difficult time. Verse 18. No one without sense enters an agreement and puts up security for his friend. Verse 19. No one who loves to offend loves strife, and one who builds a high threshold invites evil. Verse 20. One with a Christian mind will not succeed, and one with a deceitful spirit will fall into ruin. Verse 21. A man fathers a fool to his own sorrow, and the father of a fool has no joy. Verse 22. A joyful heart is a good medicine, but a broken spirit drives all the soul. Verse 23. A wicked man secretly takes a bribe to subvert the cause of the justice. Verse 24. Wisdom is the focus of the perspective, but a fool's eye is wrong to the end of his head. Verse 21. Verse 25. A foolish son is grief to his father, and bitterness to the one who brought him. Verse 26. It is certainly not good to find an innocent person or to beat a noble for his honesty. Verse 27. His lost in his thoughts.
19. My memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 1 verse 8, 9 and 10. My son, hear the instruction of thy father, and forsake not the law of thy mother. 9. There shall be an ornament of grace unto thy head, and chains unto thy neck. My son, if sinners entice, consult thou not. Thank you.
Si le parler de Proverbe chapitre 5 verset 1 à 3. Mon fils, sois attentif à ma sagesse, prête l'oreille à mon intelligence. Afin que tu conserves la réflexion et que tes lèvres gardent la connaissance. Puis, car les lèvres de l'étranger distillent la mienne et son palais est plus doux que le reste. Ainsi le
from the book of Proverbs chapter 4 verse 13, which says, take hold of instruction, let that not go, keep on pushing their life. Thank you. Je suis le numéro 24, Proverbs 7 verset 15. C'est pourquoi je suis sorti au-devant de toi pour te chercher et te faire trouver.
And my memory was taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 5 verse 9 to 13. Please to give your honor to others and your years to prayer work. Please early and be filled with your wealth, and your neighbor wants to be house of the foreigner. And you come and laugh when your flesh and your body are consumed, and say, how I have hated destruction, and my heart despise correction. I have not obeyed the voice of my teacher, nor inclined my ears to those who instructed. Thank you.
I am parent number 26. My parent is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter. Wise son makes a glad father, but a foolish son is helpless of his mother. The treasure of the wickedness profits nothing, but the righteousness delivers from death. The Lord will not suffer the soul of
The memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 5 from verse 4 to 8. This is, but in the end she shall be as bitter as wormwood, sharp as two-edged sword. Her feet lead to death, and her step lay hold of hell. Lest you ponder her path of life, her ways are unstable, you do not know them. Therefore, hear me now, my child, and do not depart from the words of my mouth. Run far from her, and do not go near the door of her house. Thank you.
My memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 13 from verse 1 to 5. This says, a wise son heareth the instructions of his father, but a scholar heareth not with you. A man shall eat food by the fruit of his mouth, but the son of a transgression shall eat violence.
He that keepeth his mouth keepeth his life, but he that openeth wide his lips shall have instructions. The soul of a sluggard desireth and hath hunger, but the soul of a diligent shall be made fat. A righteous man gets lying, but a wicked man is loathsome and cometh to shame. Praise God.
Number 14. And my memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 1 verse 1. This is the proverb of Solomon, son of David, king of Israel, for gaining wisdom, for being instructed, for understanding insightful sayings, for receiving wise instruction in righteousness, integrity, and justice, for teaching shrewdness to the inexperienced, and knowledge to the young man. A wise man will listen and increase his learning, and a discerning man will obtain guidance, for understanding a proverb or a parable, a wise word, and their meaning.
And parade number 15. Proverbs takes from the book of Proverbs chapter 12 verse 1 to 14. It says, a man whosoever loves discipline loves knowledge, never hates him to be stupid. A good man obtains favor from the Lord, but a man is evil in righteousness he condemns. The man is not established by wickedness, but the look of righteousness will never be moved. A good wife is the ground for her husband, but she will bring shame to the righteousness of his boast. The thoughts of righteousness and counsel of the wicked are treacherous. The whole of the wicked lie in wait for blood, but the mouth of the upright delivers them. Overthrown and no more, but the mouth of the righteous will stand. A man is commanded according to his good strength, but he with perverse mind is despised. Is a man standing that who was himself was a man who that fight was still out bread. A righteous man who sees the land in have plenty of bread, but a man who but the righteous will escape. Thank you.
And parade number 16. My favorite verse taken from Proverbs chapter 1 verse 11 to 14. And it says, if they say, come with us, let us celebrate for God, let us not grieve for the innocent without cause. Let us follow them up at night as they brave and those who go down into the pit. We shall find all precious substances and build our house in this world. Fast in dialogue and humble, let us walk out.
Verse 17. My memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 6, from verse 26 to 30, and it says, for by means of a foolish woman, a man is brought to a piece of bread, and the adulteress will hunt for the precious man. Can a man put fire in his bosom and his clothes not be burned? Can a man go up hot coal and his feet not be burned? So he that goeth into his neighbor's wife, shall not be innocent. Verse 30, the last, and he said, men will despise a thief when he steals to satisfy his soul when he's hungry.
Hallelujah. I am parade number 18, and my Bible verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 17 verse 1 to 10, which says, better a bride cross with peace than a house full of victory with pride. Verse 2, a wise servant will rule over his disgraceful son and share inheritance among his brothers. Verse 3, a crucible is for silver and a smelter for gold, but the Lord is a tester of hearts. Verse 4, a wicked person listens to malicious talk, but a liar pays attention to destructive talk. Verse 5, the one who mocks the poor insults his maker, and the one who rejoices over disaster will not go unpunished. Verse 6, not children are the crown of elderly, and the pride of sons are their fathers. Verse 7, eloquent words are not appropriate on the fool's lips, then how much words are nice for a ruler. Verse 8, a bribe seems like a magic stone to the owner, wherever he turns it's something. Verse 9, whoever conceals an offense promotes love, but whosoever causes about is separation. Verse 10, a rebuke cuts into a perspective person more than 100 lashes into a fool. Verse 11, an evil man seeks only rebellion, and a true messenger will be sent against him. Verse 12, better for a man to meet a bear, rod of a cup, than a
and yet refused. I have stretched my hand, and no man regarded. But he has set at not all my counsel.
and will not of my reproof. I also will laugh at your calamities. I will not when your fear cometh. When your fear cometh as desolation, and destruction cometh as whirlwind. When distress and anguish cometh upon you, then shall they call upon you, but I will not answer. They shall seek me early, but they shall not find me.
My memory was taken from the book of Proverbs verse 1. A wise son heareth his father's instruction, but the son heareth not rebuke. Verse 2. A man shall eat good by the fruit of his mouth. A man shall eat good by the fruit of his mouth, but the soul of a transgressor shall eat violence. Verse 3. He that keepeth his mouth shall keep his life. He that openeth wide his lips shall have destruction. Verse 4. The soul of a sluggard denied and hateth nothing, but the soul of a diligent shall be made fat. Verse 5. A righteous man hateth life, but the wicked man is not come and cometh to shame. Verse 6. Righteousness keepeth him that is upright in the way, but wickedness overthroweth the sinner. Verse 7. There is that maketh himself rich, yet hath nothing. There is that maketh himself poor, yet hath greater riches. Verse 8. The ransom of a man's life are his riches, but the poor heareth not to good. Verse 9. The life of the righteous rejoiceth, but the lamp of the wicked shall be put out. Verse 10. Only by pride cometh confusion, but the Lord advises wicked. Verse 11. Well done by vanity shall be removed, but he that gathereth by labor shall be removed. Verse 12. Only by pride. Verse 12. The poor deep and naked they have seen, but when the desire cometh to the tree of life. Verse 13. But whoso desireth the world shall be destroyed, but whoso heareth the commandment shall be rewarded. Verse 14. The law of the wise is the fountain of life, to depart from the snares of death. Verse 15. Who understanding giveth favor, but the way of the transgressor is hard. Verse 16. Every prudent man dealeth with knowledge, but a fool layeth open his mouth. Verse 17. A wicked messenger shall cause a true mystery, but a faithful ambassador is just. Verse 18. Poverty and shame shall be to him that repeateth transgression, but he that regardeth the truth shall be honored. Verse 19. The desire accomplishes free to the soul, but it is a fool. It is an abomination to depart from evil. Verse 20. Verse 20. He that walketh with the wise men shall be wise, but the companion of fools shall be destroyed. Verse 21. He will preference sinner, but to the righteous good shall be repaid. Verse 22. A good man liveth an inheritance for his children, but the work of the sinner is laid up from the judge. Verse 23. One foot is in the teenage of the poor, but there is that is destroyed from the word of judgment. Verse 24. He that spareth the rod hated the son, but he that loveth him shall spend him the time. Verse 25. The righteous earth is the satisfying of the soul, but the belly of the wicked shall run.
Go to the book of Proverbs 12 verse 1. This well-known children, the instruction of father, and to know understanding.
Proverbs chapter 4, verse 6. Wisdom is a great thing, so get wisdom. Why get wisdom? Get understanding. Establish and show purpose to bring things to a place of honor, and when that has embrace her. She will bring to the head an ornament of the clay. A crown of glory shall she deliver to you. Hear, O my children, and receive my saying, and their days may be many. I have taught you in the way of wisdom, and I have led you in the right path.
Proverbs chapter 7 verse 1 we say, my son, keep my words and lay my commandments with thee. Keep my commandments and live, and my law as the apple of thy eye. Bind them upon thy fingers, write them upon the table of thy heart. Say unto wisdom, thou art my sister, and understanding thy kinsmen, that they may keep thee from the stranger, from the strange woman,
to Lazarus with her words.
He says, "My son, keep the commandments of thy father, and forsake not the laws of thy mother. Bind them continually in thy heart, and tie them upon thy neck. When thou goest, it shall lead thee. When thou goest, it shall lead thee. And when thou sleepest, it shall keep thee. And when thou awakest, it shall talk with thee. For the commandment is a lamp."
Carrying over again, and again to my favorite verse. The very first thing from the book of Proverbs chapter 1 verse 15 to 21. And it says, "My son, walk not in the way with them, refrain thy foot from thy path, for their foot is of evil, and they make haste to shed blood. Surely his way is the next breath in the sight of the bird, for they lay wait on their own life, blood, and not finding life. These are the ways of those that bring of age, and taketh away the life of their own thereof. We not Christ without. She uttered her voice in the sheep place of comfort, with the increase of the gate, in the city she cried. When we yield simple, hate is visible. When we yield simple, hate is visible. When we use honor, love despise money. And when we dey fool, hate knowledge."
The book of Proverbs chapter 29, verse 1 to the end, which says, "If you keep him stubborn after so many morning, you will suddenly discover you have come too far. If justice should take it from everyone to that, but injustice should everyone wrong. If you love me from your parents and that, but take it after that you will cause everything. An honest ruler makes a nation stronger, but the ruler who takes pride brings it wrong. Satan is not set as set in a trap. Your sin will catch you, but everyone who lives right with sin can set it. The wicked don't care about the rights of the poor, but stand and others like a spark and set the city on fire. Using two self can put out the flames of anger. Be wise, do not spare a fool, you won't get any satisfaction. The murderer hates everyone who is honest and upright. Do not be a fool and who deals with your temper, be sensible and patient. A ruler who listens to lies that have corrupted officially. The poor and all who have children must be children from God for life. The king who is fed poor through a long time. Correct your children and they will be wise. Children out of control, respect their mother. Pride increases and puts them in power, but God abides in the them fall. If you correct your children, they will bring you peace and happiness. That guidance from God, law and order disappear, but God blesses everyone who obeys his law. Even when servants are smart, it takes more than words to make them obey. There is one hope for a fool and for someone who talks without speaking. Slaves that are treated kindly cause sorrow. A person who is quick-tempered will take out arguments. A person who is quick-tempered will take up arguments and cause spread of argument and cause a lot of sins. Pride leads to praise and humility is honor. If you take part in a crime, you are your worst enemy. And do no other good and tell the truth. Don't fall into the trap of being a coward. Trust the Lord and God will bless you. When you try to make friends with the ruler, but justice is from God, but justice comes from the Lord. Good people and criminals don't stand each other. Thank you.
Proverbs chapter 28, from verse 1 to 9. The wicked runs and the one pursues him, but the righteous is the Now is in transgression when he has many months. But with the discerning and the knowledgeable person is rejoiced. The destitute man who oppresses the poor is like a driving rain who takes no food. The Lord praises the wicked, but those who abide by the Lord, after that, evil men rich man went to that but the descendants of but companion of movement shares his hand. The man who augments his wealth by increasing interest shall be taken away by the man who is kind to the poor. God's away is here for men, the Lord, even his prayer and his congregation. He has received the upright into the evil road, shall fall into his own pit, but the blameless shall have a godly inheritance. The rich man who takes his wife in his own hand shall be found out the poor man who has understanding.
And 12. The memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 5, from verse 4 to 8. This says, but in the end she shall be as bitter as wormwood, sharp as two-edged sword. Her feet lead to death, and her step lay hold of hell. Lest you ponder her path of life, her ways are unstable, you do not know them. Therefore, hear me now, my child, and do not depart from the words of my mouth. Run far from her, and do not go.
Of the righteousness is the way of life, but violence covers the mouth of the wicked. Hatred street or street, but lust covers all sin. In the lips of him that has understanding, wisdom is found, but the rod is for the back of him that is according with understanding. The wise man lay love knowledge, but the mouth of the foolish is their destruction. The rich man's wealth is a strong city, but the destruction of poor is a poverty. The neighbor of the righteousness tends to life, but the fruit of the wicked to sin. He is the way of life that keepeth discussion, but he that refuses and reproof, he that hides hatred the lying deep. But he that hides hatred the lying deep, but he that utters a slander is a fool. In the multitude of words, there wonders no sin, but he that refers his lip is a wise. The tongue of the just is as a truly slipper, but the heart of the wicked is little rotten. The lips of the righteousness feed many, but a fool dies for want of wisdom. The blessings of the Lord is mercy, but he that hideth no soul with it is as a spot to a fool to do mischief. But a man of understanding has wisdom. The fear of the wicked shall come upon him, but the desire of the righteousness shall be granted. As the whirlwind passes, so is the wicked no more. But the righteousness is an everlasting foundation, as vinegar to the teeth and as smoke to the eyes. So is slaughter to them and sends him. The fear of the Lord prolongs days, but the year of the wicked shall be shortened. The hope of the righteousness shall be gladness, but the expression of the wicked shall perish. The way of the Lord is the strength. The way of the Lord to the upright, but the destruction shall be to the work of iniquity. Shall be never removed, but the wicked shall not inhabit the earth. It brings forward wisdom, but the forward dog shall be cutted out. The least of the righteousness, but the mouth of the wicked speak darkness.
27. The book of Proverbs chapter 2. Proverbs chapter 4, verse 20 to 21. My son, you attended to my words. Incline your tears unto my sins. 21. Let them not depart from your eyes, and keep them in the midst of your tents.
Number 28. My memory verse is taken from Proverbs chapter 4, verse 14. Proverbs chapter 16, verse 16. For they cannot sleep unless they are done well.
that women or sleep on the rest that makes one slumber. 17. They eat the bread of the wickedness and drink the wine of the wilderness. 18. The path of the righteousness is like the shining light that shines more and more unto full day. 18. Good. 9. Leave darkness, they do not know what the slumber is.
Parade number 29. My memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 1 verse 23 to 28. It says, turn you as my reproach. Behold, I will pour out my spirit unto you. I will make known my word unto you. Because I have called and yet refused. I have stretched my hand and no man regarded. But ye have set at naught all my counsel, and will none of my reproach. I also will laugh at your calamities. I will not bring your fear cometh. When your fear cometh as desolation, and destruction cometh as whirlwind. When distress and anguish cometh upon you, then shall they come upon you, but I will not answer. They shall seek me early, but they shall not find me.
My memory was taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 10, verse 1. A wise son heareth his father's instruction, but the scholar heareth not rebuke. Verse 2. A man shall eat good by the fruit of his mouth. A man shall eat good by the fruit of his mouth.
Force obtiennent la richesse. L'homme fait du bien à son âme, mais l'homme priait tout son propre âme. Mais l'homme priait tout fait un bien trompeur, mais celui qui sait la justice moissonne un salaire véritable. Ainsi, la justice conduit à la vie. Mais celui qui poursuit le mal trouve la mort. Ceux qui ont le corps pervers sont l'abomination à l'Éternel, mais ceux dont la voix est droite ne sont pas brillants. 7. Le méchant ne restera pas impuni, mais la prospérité des justes sera sauvée. Un arbre d'or au milieu d'un pousseau, c'est une femme. Un arbre d'or au milieu d'un pousseau, c'est une femme belle et dépourvue de sens. Le plaisir des justes, c'est seulement le bien. La peine des méchants, c'est la terreur. Paul, qui donne libéralement, tel qui devient plus riche, et tel qui épargne à l'essai le fait de sa pauvreté. L'âme bienfaisante sera rassasiée, et celui qui arrose sera loin de l'arroser. Celui qui retient le blé est le du peuple, mais la bénédiction est sur la tête de celui qui le veut. Celui qui recherche le bien s'attire de la faveur, mais celui qui poursuit le mal est tapé. Celui qui se confie dans ses richesses tombera. Celui qui se confie dans ses richesses tombera, mais les justes vivront comme le feuillage. Celui qui sera vivant, et l'insensé sera l'esclave de l'homme sage. Le fruit du juste est un arbre de vie. Et le fruit du juste est un arbre de vie. Le fruit du juste est un arbre de vie. Et l'insensé sera l'esclave de l'homme sage. Le juste, voici. Le juste reçoit sur la terre une rétribution. Mais voici, le juste reçoit sur la terre une rétribution. Combien plus le méchant et le péché.
Merci le numéro 40. Proverbe 8, verset 5 à 6. Stupide, apprenez le discernement. Insensé, apprenez l'intelligence. Écoutez, car j'ai des grandes choses à vous dire. Et mes lèvres surtout enseigner ce qui est. Proverbe 8, verset 6 à 10. Écoutez, car j'ai de grandes choses à vous dire. Et mes lèvres surtout enseigner ce qui est. Car ma bouche proclame la vérité et mes lèvres proverbe de l'esprit. Toutes les paroles de ma bouche sont justes. Elles n'ont que de faux et de détournées. Elles sont claires pour celui qui est intelligent et justes pour ceux qui ont trouvé la science. Réveillez les instructions à l'argent et la science à l'homme.
Proverbe chapitre 8, verset 11 à 12. Car la sagesse vaut mieux que les trésors. Elle a plus de la valeur que d'un objet de prix. Moi, la sagesse, j'ai pour demeure le discernement et je possède la science de la réflexion. Je suis le numéro 47, chapitre 27, verset 1 à 14. Ne te demande pas de ce que sera demain, car tu ignores ce que produira aujourd'hui. Laisse aux autres le soin de chanter des louanges, que l'étranger ne fasse plutôt que toi-même. Une pierre peut être rouge et du sac pesant, mais la rancune de l'hébétique fait encore plus lourd. La violence est brutale, la colère est un courant déchaîné, mais devant la jalousie qui pourra résister. Proverbe chapitre 10, verset 15 à 19. Par moi les rois et les prétendants se cachent. Par moi gouvernent les chefs, tous les juges de la terre. J'aime ceux qui font les choses que cherchent le trouble. Avec moi, la richesse et la gloire, les biens durables et la justice. Plus est meilleur que l'or, mieux d'un problème différent de la richesse. Je suis le numéro 49, proverbe 8, verset 8 à 20. L'homme là, il cherche un homme, et qui une de nos possibilités. Les bienfaits sont plus précieux que dans le monde. Et les promesses sont la montagne. Proverbs chapter 7, verse 1 to 6. My son, keep my words and lay my commandments with thee. Keep my commandments and live, and my law as the apple of thy eye. Write them upon thy fingers, write them upon the table. Say unto wisdom, thou art my sister, and understanding thy kinsmen, that they may keep thee from the stranger, from the strange woman who flatters with her words. He says, my son, keep the commandments of thy father, and forsake not the laws of thy mother. Bind them continually in thy heart, and tie them upon thy neck. When thou goest, it shall lead thee. When thou goest, it shall lead thee. And when thou sleepest, it shall keep thee. And when thou awakest, it shall talk with thee. For the commandment is a lamp, and the law is life, and the reproof of the instructions of God are the way of life. Proverbs chapter 18, verse 1 to the end. A man who isolates himself seeks his own desire. He rages against all wise judgment. A fool has no delight in understanding, but expressing his own heart. When the wicked gods, on earth comes also, and with dishonor comes reproach. The words of a man's mouth are deep waters. The wellspring of wisdom is a flowing pool. It is not good to show partiality to the wicked, but to overthrow the righteous in judgment. The fool's lips enter into contention, and his mouth goes for blows. The fool's mouth are destruction, and his lips are the snare of the soul. The words of a tale-bearer are like tasty cherries, and they go down into the deepest mouth. He who is lost in his work is a mother to him who is a great destroyer. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run to it and are safe. A rich man's wealth is not city, and like the high wall of his honesty. For destruction, the heart of a man is hot, and before honor is humility. Before honor is humility. He who answers a matter before he hears it is
is folly and shame to him. The spirit of a man will sustain him in sickness, but who can bear a broken spirit? The heart of a prudent acquires wisdom, abides knowledge, ears of the wise seeks knowledge. A man's deeds makes room for him and brings him before great men. That the first one to be discussed seems right, if his neighbor comes and examines him. Casting lots causes contention to cease and makes the mighty apart. A brother offended is rather to be than the short seat, and contention are like the bars of a castle. And contention are like the bars of a castle. The stomach shall be satisfied with the fruits of his mouth, and from the produce of his feet he shall be filled. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and for those who love it, eat its fruit. He who finds a wife finds a good thing, and obtains favor from the Lord. The poor man uses entreaties, and the rich answers wrong. A man who has friends must use some friendly, but there is a friend who sticks closer than him.
Ici dans le barrage, en l'œuvre. Proverbe 11, verset 1. La balance c'est un oral éternel. Le poids juste doit être agréable. Quand vient l'orgueil, vient aussi l'ennemi. La sagesse est avec les hommes. L'intégrité des hommes justes les délivre. Mais l'intégrité des hommes justes les délivre, mais les détours des perfides causent leur vie. Au jour de la colère, la richesse ne sert à rien, mais la justice délivre de la mort. La justice de l'homme sage, la justice de l'homme intègre aplane sa voie, et le méchant tombe pas sa méchanceté. La justice des hommes droits les délivre, et les méchants sont pris par leur malice. À la mort du méchant, son espoir périt, et la tombe des hommes iniques est anéantie. Le juste est délivré de la détresse et le méchant prend sa place. Par sa bouche, les doubles sont clochés, mais les justes sont délivrés par la science. Quand les justes sont heureux, la ville est de la joie. Et quand les méchants périssent, on pousse des cris d'allégresse. La ville se lève par la ville se lève par la bénédiction des hommes droits, les élèves remercient par la bouche des méchants. Celui qui méprise son prochain est dépourvu de sens, mais l'homme qui a de l'intelligence se plaît. Il voit les secrets, mais celui qui a l'esprit fidèle est calme. Quand la prudence fait défaut, le peuple tombe, et le cerveau dans le premier nombre est conseillé. Celui
est brutal, la colère est un courant de gêner, mais devant la jalousie qui pourra résister. Proverbe chapitre verset 15 à 19. Par moi les rois et les princes en notre piège. Par moi gouvernent les chefs, tous les juges de la terre. J'aime ceux qui font les choses que cherchent le trouble. Avec moi, la richesse et la gloire, les deux durable et la justice. On fruit est meilleur que l'or, et le projet préférable de la promesse. Je suis le numéro 44, Proverbe au pays de verset 8 à 20. Nous donnons la richesse et l'honneur, les béquilles qui nous donnent de prospérité. Les bienfaits sont plus précieux que dans le et les conditions des restes de la prospérité. La conscience sur la couleur de la justice, sur le chemin des poissons respectés.
I am parade number 63. Memory verse taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 2 from verse 2. It says, so that thou incline thy ears unto wisdom, and apply thy heart to understanding. Yea, if thou criest after knowledge, and detest not thy voice to understanding. If thou seekest her as silver, and searchest for her as for deep treasure, then shalt thou understand the fear of the Lord, and find knowledge from God. For the Lord giveth wisdom, out of his mouth cometh knowledge and understanding.
My memory verse is taken from the book of Proverbs 14, verse 6 to 8. He says, a worker seeks wisdom and does not find it. Knowledge is easy to him who understands. 7. Stay away from a foolish man when you do not perceive the lips of knowledge. 8. A sensible man's wisdom is to consider his way. Thank you.
Habit number 55. Proverbs chapter 7 verse 6 to 8. For at the window of my house I push my gateway. For beheld I stayed among the faithful ones. A young man void of understanding, passing through the street in her corner went the way of her house. In the twilight, in the evening, black and dark night, and there met a woman, still an attire of a harlot and a sometimes of her.
Non, c'est comme ça. Proverbe 6, verset 19. Un faux témoin qui dit des mensonges est celui qui est fils là les possesseurs du contraire et ne rejette jamais les enseignements de ta mère. Lis-les constamment dans ton cœur. Attache-les.
Je suis le numéro 57. Proverbe chapitre 6, verset 22 à 24. Ils te dirigeront sur ta marche. Ils te garderont sur ta touche. Ils te parleront en ton ouvert. Car le précepte est humain et l'enseignement unifié. Et les avertissements de la correction sont le chemin de la vie. Ils te préserveront de la part corrompue, de la langue, du sourire de l'étranger.
My moral path is taken from the reason. An empty table takes in, but no equal from an empty table. Number 57. My moral path is taken from Proverbs 14, verse 5. We say, a truthfulness does not lie, but a false witness brings out lies.
Praise God. And the commander. Remember verse taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 7, verse 16 to 27. I have decked my bed with garments of tapestry, with carved works, with fine linen of Egypt. I have perfumed my bed with myrrh, aloes, and cinnamon. Come, let's take our fill of love unto morning. Let's solace ourselves with love. For the good man is not at home. He is gone a long journey. But he has taken with him a bag of money, and will return home the day appointed. With her fair speech, she caused him to yield. With her flatteries of her lips, she forced him. He going after her straightway like an ox to the slaughter, or as a fool to the correction of the slots. Till a dart strikes his neighbor, like a bird has snare to the snare, and knoweth not it is for his life. Hearken unto me, O ye now therefore, O children. Do not decline not your heart to her paths. Go not astray in her ways. Decline not your heart in her ways. Go not astray in her paths. Go not astray in her paths. Yeah, but she has, for many has fallen, she has fallen, a lot have fallen women, and she has slain many strong men. She has slain many strong men. Yeah, her house is the way to hell, going down to the chambers of death.